To begin with, you can mist your face with water if you have a spray bottle. If not, you can go to the sink and just lightly dampen your skin. We'll use a few pumps of the oil. Apply the oil evenly across your face. This is key for ensuring that the cups glide smoothly and do not tug on your skin. We're going to start with the two largest cups. We are going to first work on the chest area. Make sure that you have your hair tied back and a top that is not going to get in the way of the cups. In order to get suction with the cup, you want to squeeze the base of the cup, put it against the skin, and then release, and you will be able to glide the cup after. Please ensure that you never allow the cup to stay in one spot for too long because you might get some discoloration if you allow that to happen. Always keep the cups moving. Now we will get the front of the neck. Now you're going to need your smaller cup so that we can get some targeted areas, including the eyes. To do this technique, we are not going to glide with the small cup, but we will do a suction release. Suction release. It's supposed to boost collagen production. Okay, now we will go back to the 2 large cups and do some finishing strokes. Okay, so now we will take the 2 large cups and come right underneath the ear, right at the jawline, and drag it right down. Okay, right underneath the jawline, and then bring it down. After your face cupping massage, your skin may appear a little flushed. That's a good sign that you were able to increase blood circulation. Be sure to follow up with a serum or a moisturizer to lock in all the benefits. If you're going out in the daytime, be sure to wear your SPF. If you would like some extra depuffing action, you can throw a jade roller into the freezer and use that on your face after you do your cupping massage. Let me know in the comments down below how this worked for your travel-weary skin. And feel free to share your favorite skincare tips. Thanks for watching and doing this massage with me. If you found this face cupping massage routine helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more skincare and massage tips. Now, if you loved what this face cupping massage routine did for your face, you're gonna love the gua sha routine that I created just for you. Check it out right here.